In a landmark decision, Hunter Biden, the son of sitting US President Joe Biden, has been found guilty on 3 felony counts related to illegal gun possession. The federal court in Wilmington delivered the verdict on Tuesday, marking the first time a child of a current US president has been convicted of a crime. Hunter Biden faced charges of lying about his drug use when purchasing a firearm and illegally possessing the weapon. The charges stemmed from a 2018 incident in which Biden, then struggling with drug addiction, bought a Colt Cobra .38 caliber revolver. When completing the mandatory background check form, Biden falsely stated that he was not using illegal drugs, a misrepresentation that led to his conviction. The jury's decision holds significant implications for Hunter Biden. The counts are as follows: lying on the federal form, possession of a firearm while using illegal drugs, illegal possession of the weapon. In total, Hunter Biden faces up to 25 years in prison. The exact date for sentencing has not yet been set, but it is expected to occur within the next 120 days, meaning it will likely take place before the November 5 presidential election. President Joe Biden, addressing the media after the conviction, emphasized his respect for the judicial process. Jill and I love our son, and we are proud of the man he is today. We accept the outcome and will continue to support him as he considers his options. Hunter Biden's legal troubles began in earnest in 2018 with the firearm purchase and escalated over the following years. Initially in 2023, Hunter Biden reached a plea deal with prosecutors to resolve these charges without going to trial. However, this agreement fell apart, leading to a formal indictment and subsequent trial. During the trial, the prosecution presented testimony from key witnesses, including Hunter's ex-wife, former girlfriend, and sister-in-law. Their testimonies painted a vivid picture of Biden's struggle with addiction during the period leading up to and following the gun purchase. Hunter Biden's conviction comes at a politically sensitive time, with the 2024 presidential election looming. The case has been closely followed not only due to its direct implications for Hunter Biden, but also because of its potential impact on President Biden's re-election campaign. The sentencing expected within the next few months will be closely watched, as it not only determines Hunter Biden's immediate future, but also potentially influences the broader political landscapes leading up to the 2024 election.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.